Traders, I'm looking at JP Chase on the daily time frame. Have a look at this price action. Swing low. Well, I mean, where do you want to go from? Swing low, swing high on the daily. Retrace buy. Swing low, swing high. Retrace buy. Again, I mean, it's been following this price action for quite some time. Okay, swing low, swing high. Retrace buy. Always looking for that 50% retrace. Now we have a pullback here. Bear with me, I just got to get out of drawing mode, cancel that, grab a Fibonacci, pull it from low to high. Just pulling back into equilibrium, that's my entry point. So I'm looking for, we'll get back to a precise entry in a minute. I want to go back in time and have a look and see how this has performed from the 20th of December historically. And I'm going to apply a seasonality aspect to this. So let's go back to, and I have had a look at this, it looked pretty good. Just go back to the 2023, so we're looking 20th of December, go to, and every one of these periods in time have offered an opportunity to buy. And I'm looking for about a 1 to 2 week period, so we get us a buy opportunity on the daily time frame. So that's 2022. We'll go back to, or 23 I should say, go back to 2022, end of December, another buy opportunity, and we're looking for, as I mentioned, from this point, go for a week or so. What do we got here? This is, well, the 20th through to, first week in January, second week in January, something like that. Go back again to previous, so we got 2022, 21. We're looking at, and see, prior to the move, we had a short market and then went long. Fairly similar to what's occurring at the moment. There was a sell-off and then it rallied. 2021, 2020, we can go back 10 years and have a look. Prior to, a bit of a sell-off, rally, and we're away. I think I've got a little bit of work going on in the background, so I might have to wrap up the video. Let's just go to, what I actually want to do here is show you how you can trade JPM. My broker has the option to trade stocks, different stocks. They've got quite a big list of stocks that are available, as you can see here. In their list of instruments, and I've just gone down and selected JPM. A really great opportunity to expand your horizons. The broker I'm using has a zero spread XNES. The link below, there's a link below if you want to check that out in the description. But the way to get involved with this is using our trading strategy that we teach in our mentorship program. By the way, you can access that. There's a 2-week free trial. And we're looking for these signals. The red zone kicks in, gives us higher time frame confluence. There's the higher time frame kicking in here, and we start to see these sell signals. We're ignoring those because we need to see a green shaded zone behind it. So at the beginning of a green or a red zone, that's generally when the opportunity arises. And if we include a little bit more technical analysis, keep in mind this is a 15-minute chart. Stop loss would be above the previous high here if you took this trade. And we're also looking for these swing points. So this is part of our course. We look at getting involved on a Fibonacci retrace. So that would be something like that. In any case, now we look for these opportunities early on in the green or red zone. We ignore these signals that we see later on. Okay, so the buy opportunity was back in here. Both the HTF and the buy signals kick in, and we look to get involved. Again, okay, the green zone kicked in, long position, we buy. Pull back, long position, we buy. And what we do is we actually look at a few other things as well. We're looking at a 4-hour time frame. We're looking for when the trend on the 4-hour is favorable, and it generally gives us, that's a nice one. Okay, consider this concept. If it's bullish, 4-hour, and this signal here is generally the pullback on the 4-hour, and we're looking for the rotation. In the green zone, we avoid buying at the high or at the high of these expansions. So we're always looking for 4-hour pullback, and we want to see, in this case, the green zone kicking in, and then we look for the buy. That's just a quick intro to our system. Now, back here we would have been looking for a sell. So in this case, now we're incorporating, or we're including the seasonality aspect, and we want to see this start to rotate. When the green signals kick in, the opportunity will definitely present, right? And we simply set up the signals to go off on the trend track HTF. So that's the HTF signal that you saw back here. You'll see there it is, HTF. Okay, so we want that alert. We just set the alert and it goes off. You look at all the alerts over here. HTF alert, that's the alert we're looking for. And the long and short alerts are the buy and sell alerts. So they just go off. We click on them, we come into the chart and look at the opportunity. You can gain access to this. There's a 14-day free trial. The link is below. It's anthonybourne.com. I invite you to check it out. Guys, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.